Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to connect Google Forms to Google Sheets. So first thing that you will do is go to docs.google.com/forms, and now just simply select one of your forms. Now over here, just simply go to the middle over here. So you will have three categories: questions, responses, and settings. Go for the responses, and from here you will have this option over here, link to sheets. So just simply click on this to link it, and you will have an option to select an existing one or create a new one. I'm gonna go for new one and click on create. After that, just simply wait for it to load up. And now once it is done, you can just simply select view in sheets. And as you can see, you will have here a pre-made template on all of the questions and answers you have on Google Forms. There you go. See ya.